Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab 2 A10, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, extend it, and in here we should see the toggle somewhere. So it looks like it's right over here. So once you find it, you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where we can customize it a little bit. So starting off, we have the priority only allows. Let's tap on it. And in here we have reminders, events, so we can basically select if we want those or not to show up while the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And then we also have messages. This will either block or allow messages depending who you have selected. So you have option from anyone, contacts, favorites, or none, which would be, well, no one. So select whichever one you want. And from there you can go back and have also automatic rules, which this is just a basically automatic Do Not Disturb mode. So if you want, you can create your own or use the ones that are already preset. So from here, let's just name it whatever. And as you can see, here we have days of the week. So you can tap which days you want it to turn on. Right now it's basically all week long. Then we have start time, so you can set it to start at whatever time you want. Then end time, end time. Again, set whatever time you want. And then Do Not Disturb. Here we have the option to choose between the couple different modes. We have priority, alarm, or total silence. Now priority is the only one that we actually have ability to customize. All alarms and total silence are basically already preset, and we have no option to change how they function exactly. So I'm just gonna go with the priority only. And once you select it, you can go back and you can already see that because it does fall under the time that Do Not Disturb mode should be active, it already is active. If I pull down the notification, you can see that it's already turned on, even though I haven't really turned it on myself yet. It is due to the schedule being on right now, and I believe it should be visible or not. It's not visible here. But yeah, that is basically how you turn it on with the automatic way. And in this way, it's just gonna keep itself on till, I think I selected to be till 8 p.m. So at 8 p.m. it's just gonna disable itself. You can still disable it yourself by simply tapping on a toggle, or enable it manually again by tapping on a toggle. And when you do, it gives you a couple different options when you tap on it. So you can have total silence, alarm, or priority. And then when you choose one of them, you also have the option to until you turn it off, or for a specific amount of hours that you can set yourself. And from there you can tap on done, and this will automatically then enable it. So that is how you would use the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.